Hello, Cathy Bougreau, Boatshed Bourgogne. On this Dutch barge of 1926 with Attila. A spacious aft terrace with the steering position, and here the engine room for an engine, one DAF 575, and here 4 steps lower the living room. 23 and 60 meters long, 4 meters large, 0.65 for the draft, and 3 meters 17 for the air draft. 500 liters for the diesel tanks, 2000 liters for the water tanks, and 1 water tank of 1000 liters special water for the toilet. A dish machine, a wash machine, fridge of course, and 1 cabin. New paint in 2015. Cathy Bougreau, Boatshed Bourgogne. Do not hesitate to call me for this Dutch barge of 1926. I'm at your disposal.